To see how I get unready to using these two beauty products, please stay tuned. Good evening, guys. This is your host again, Natanya with the Glam Live, and I am back here unwinding, getting unready for the evening. So I want to come on real quick to show you how I remove all of my makeup from my face, because if you have been following my channel for quite some time, you all know that skincare is a must and a plus to maintain what is up underneath all of this makeup. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I have a bowl of water here, warm water symbolizing the sink, because I want to show you all exactly how I remove all my makeup. And the two products that I'm going in with tonight are my staple go-to products in removing all of the product, as well as applying the moisturizer back to my face to get the beautiful base and the beautiful canvas to apply the makeup the next day. And the two products that I'm talking about are by the Alaffia. I have the Everyday Coconut Face Wash. I love, love, love this face wash. It is great for all skin types. It not only removes the makeup, it removes all the oil, dirt, grime. If you have acne prone spots, if you have areas where your skin's looking dull, this right here is a must. Get it in your arsenal. I picked this up from Walgreens when it was on clearance. Walgreens does not carry this product anymore, but you can search the internet, and they do have the Alaffia products still available on the internet. And this is my staple go-to moisturizer. It's the Everyday Coconut Made for All Skin Types Daily Moisturizer, and I go in following it right behind me washing my face. So I have my washcloth in here, and I'm squeezing some of the water out, and I'm just going to wet my face, symbolizing me being in the shower, because I normally remove my makeup while I'm in the shower, but I'm going to simulate and for you all for the camera, and just wetting my face. Then I'm going to squeeze some Alaffia on my hand and begin to work in circular motions, removing all of the makeup. And you see how the product is breaking the makeup down. It's melting it right off my face, which is what I want, and it's not harsh. It removes the makeup under the eyes, where I do wear the waterproof mascaras, and I wear the stubborn eyeliner, and it gets all of those areas removed. So I take off my makeup in sections. I normally start off with the bottom half of my face, and I'm just wringing this washcloth out. And this is the product on the washcloth, and I'm just rinsing it out in this bowl of water, symbolizing me being in front of the sink, because I don't have a camera in my restroom area. Don't want to put one there either. So now I'm going to take a little bit more of the product, squeeze on, just put one full-size pump in the palm of your hand. Now I'm going to get up here on the forehead, over my eyes. And again, look how it is breaking down the product so effortlessly. Again, taking some water and just going to wipe. Then look how the eye makeup has been removed. And skincare is a must, glams. You must take care of the skin, because no matter how much makeup you put on your face to cover some of the imperfections, like you all see I have right here, skincare is a must for me, because I don't want to go out every single day with makeup, but I also want to feel comfortable in the skin that I am in. So taking that extra time, removing all of the makeup, dedicating that time for skincare is very critical. So now I just took an additional pump, so we have 3 pumps, and I'm just going back over the areas to make sure that I got rid of all of the product. Best of all, me going over my eyes, this does not burn, none whatsoever. But look how it just effortlessly moved the makeup from around my eyes. I wear, like I said, the waterproof mascaras, the stubborn eyeliners, and it was able to wipe away within me doing it one time. That's me just pretty much wiping all of my makeup away. Now, I normally do this step in the sink or in the shower and just let this water just run down my facial area and down my neck. But I just wanted to demonstrate with you all on how I take off my makeup in the evening time and just making sure I get in that hairline, because I do go all the way up and I want to make sure that I removed also the product from the hairline as well. So now I'm going to go in on my neck, because whatever I do to my face, I also like to do to my neck. So I'm just dampening my neck some, and I'm just going to take a half a pump, not that much, right here for the neck. This is a very gentle cleanser, and it does not make my skin feel stripped neither. So my skin does not feel tight even after using the product. Getting right up under here, and you see how I'm also scratching my chin area, because this is where I tend to get the driest skin. So I just focus in on those areas. And this is pretty much my nighttime routine right here on how I get unready. And I'm taking the same cloth and just wiping the product off my neck. And now that my face is pretty much washed per se, I do not go in with the toner, even though for some, if you want to use the toner as the next step, you can. But I just use the two products. So I'm just going to let the skin pretty much air dry on its own. So I'll come back in about 3 minutes once that is air dried. Now that the 3 minutes is up and my skin is pretty much dry, I'm going to be going in with the final step, which is the Alaffia Everyday Coconut Face Moisturizer. Best of all about this moisturizer, it's great for all skin types. So if you're an oily skin glam such as myself, a dry skin glam, this moisturizer right here is perfect. Again, I got these products at Walgreens when they were on clearance, but they still sell them out there. But I was able to stock up and have a little arsenal, a little product stash until I'm run out the product, and then I may continue to still use the product or just find something else. So I'm going to dispense nickel size amount and just apply on my face, making sure that the product completely absorbs in the skin. And normally I apply the rest on my neck area, but I do have to get in the shower, so I'm not going to apply that on the neck. I'm just going to put the excess on my skin, because I'm not going to wash my face anymore in the shower, being that I demonstrated it for you all on camera. And all the makeup is removed. Look at my eyes, you all. All of the makeup is completely removed, and my skin does not feel stripped. After I moisturize, it did feel clean, but not stripped. All right, so my face is got unready, and I'm about to go and finish getting unready for the rest of the evening. But I just wanted to come on real quick to show you all how I remove the makeup from my face. Until next time, you all be blessed and be glamorous.